Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Smart Lookup feature is an internal search tool that connects to the power of Microsoft's Bing online search engine. This lets you access the World Wide Web without leaving Excel. One way to open the Smart Lookup pane is by typing a search term into the Tell Me bar, and then choosing the Smart Lookup On command from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can also select a word or phrase from text in a cell, or select an entire text-containing cell, and then either click the Smart Lookup button in the Insights button group on the Review tab of the ribbon, or right-click your selection, and then choose the Smart Lookup command from the pop-up menu that appears. Performing either task then opens the Smart Lookup pane at the right side of the screen. The Smart Lookup pane contains both an Explore and a Define section. Clicking the Explore section title then shows web links and articles in the pane for the word or phrase you selected or entered. Clicking the Define section title shows definitions, antonyms, synonyms, word origins, and other dictionary information in the pane for the word or phrase you selected or entered. To close the Smart Lookup pane when you are finished using it, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.